Hi, welcome to my channel, Sparkling Glue. So glad to have you here today. I thought we'd work on this little book. It's a 3x3, and I saw this on Helen Griffin's channel. It's called Meandering, or Meanderer, or something. Anyway, so what it is we're going to take one piece of cardstock, 12 by 12, and we're going to score it and then cut in a couple places and then fold it to make this book, which I thought was kind of interesting. I think we're going to do it in white because I want to decorate with some of the new things. I just got a set of washi tape, floral. It's, I think, 24 pieces in here, and I thought maybe if we could put them on some of the pages. I also, I don't know if you can, how well you can see this, but these are stickers, and like this says, "Go for it, just do it, let the life, live the life you imagined." And I don't know, they're really pretty, and I thought maybe that would be nice to put on some pages. I'm gonna sort of make this like a happy journal, at least for me. And then I got these stickers on Amazon. I think it was 120, and they're all just positive little sayings that you certainly can make this on your own. They don't have to be stickers. We can glue them on. I was looking for something maybe a little brighter in colors and flowers. I just didn't find it, but I have not read through this whole little package yet, but like, trust the timing of life events. It has a reason. Music is medicine for the soul. You are my sun, my moon, and all of my stars. I don't know, just some pretty things. I didn't realize who I was until I stopped being who I wasn't. Well, that's certainly true, right? Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times, if only one remembers to turn on the light. And how true is that, right? I mean, try to remember the good things. Anyway, so I don't know, just some things to make me think a little, always about positive. I'm looking for positive thoughts that really brightens my day. So I thought we would do this again in white, and then, like I said, decorate with some of the pretty tapes and florals. So let's get started. I have the cutting guide here. It's small, is because really it's one page and then a cover we're gonna do. So, which, let me see, I got the cover right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're taking a 12 by 12 and you're scoring at 3, 6, and 9. Turn your paper over to the side, and again, 3, 6, and 9. Okay, so that is it. And then the cover, which is, I cut already. Let me just put this over here. Cover is 9.5 by 3, so just want to make sure I have the right piece. So 9.5 by 3, you're going to score on the 9.5 side. You're going to score at 1.5. You're going to score at 4.5. You're going to score at 5 and 8. Okay, and really I'll show you. So the two sides are going to end up being little pockets, and the piece in the middle is just our spine, and that's our cover. So, and I'm just going to put this to the side for now. We don't need the scoring board anymore. Okay, now what you want to do on this is you're going to cut on the first score line up until the top score line. So you're going to make, it's going to end up looking like an M or a W. The third one, we're going to do the same thing, and then in the middle we're going to do it the opposite. Now you can use your paper cutter. For now I'm just going to do it with this. And I don't know if you can really, how well you can see the score line, but I'm trying to stay on it as good as I can. And I'm just cutting up, so I'm cutting all the way through the 3, 6, and stopping at the 9. And again, on the opposite, or not the, well, I guess it's the opposite side. Again, cut through 3, 6 score line, and you're going to go up to the 9. And then you're turning your paper over, and the middle one we're doing the same, and we're going up to the 9. And yeah, I'm not such a great cutter. Hey, listen, we can't be all good at everything, right? All right, so there we go. So if you can see, so it's a M or a W, depending on how you're looking at it. All right, and now here's the meandering part. So you're going to take the first one, and you're just going to fold. And what you want to do is you're going away from the fold. So when I say that, when you make your fold, okay, if you went this way, you see how it's thick? You don't want that to happen. It's folding over onto itself just with one page. So watch. So this page will go on top of this one, and this will go on top, and then on top. So you don't, when you're folding it, you don't want it to be thick in the score line. It's going to fold right evenly. And then you just keep going. Keep folding on top of each other. You see what I mean? How it just goes on top. And just keep folding and folding. All right, you have, now because I didn't cut it perfect, right? It's not exactly even. You can trim it, or if you use your paper cutter, you could probably get it better. I know that you could use a ruler and an X-Acto knife if that is easier for you. But anyway, so now this is what you have. And now we need to glue pages together. So what we're going to glue, so let's start gluing. So what we're going to do is leave this first piece alone because it's going to glue to the cover. But then what you want to do is glue down together the second piece. Okay? And then okay. And then what you want to do is you'll glue the back to it. And then you'll flip it open and glue the next page. And you'll see. And then you'll see how, you know, it only will open one way. And then glue that. You might have to practice with this a little bit, but it sort of does start coming together. You see how it opens this way? And then you're going to glue. Now when Helen did it on her channel, instead of just gluing these flat down like this, she actually made pockets on all of these pages and then did a little pocket insert, which maybe I'll try that. I was having enough trouble just trying to figure out what to glue together and then to get the pocket in the right size, but I'm sure just playing around with it we could all figure it out. But okay, and we're gluing that down there. Okay, so let's see what we have. Hopefully it worked. All right, so now you have a little book. And like I said, and maybe if you do it on two-sided, maybe it's a little easier because you won't be seeing, everything you glue will be only one side. So maybe you'll know, like, okay, the green side is what gets glued. So that might have been a little easier when I did this. I knew that the side underneath here was the one that was getting glued to everything. But Anyway, all right, so we have a little book. And you could even really leave it and not do a cover if you don't want to. You can add a ribbon here. But let's take our cover and what we're going to do, and you can do this in a different color. You're going to put glue on the front. And we're going to glue our front cover. So what you want to do is we're leaving this so we have this pocket that will fold in. That's good. You might have to play with the fold just a little bit to get it where it lines up perfect. And then for the back, you're going to do the same thing here. And you're just going to glue it to the back page. Okay, so then you have your cover and then these two little pockets. And what I'm going to do is just place glue on the outside of this first pocket and press down, and so you can and then like I said, do it in colors or make the I just wanted to do all white so I could use some of the new things I got. We'll see how we can make it. All right, so this is what we have, and I'm going to decorate it and come back and show you what I did. All right. All right, so it's decorated, so let's take a look. And yes, this purple flower here is the same as I have glued onto this. I made this in Canva AI, and then I had Cricut cut this out. This one I just cut out myself, but anyway, I just thought it was pretty. And purple, my color. Anyway, so here's our little book decorated, little tag in the pocket, live the life you've imagined. For every minute you're angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. And I agree. There is nothing either good or bad, but thinking makes it so. And true, right? I mean, the way we think about things is what makes it either good or bad. I mean, good luck, bad luck, who knows, right? Happiness can be found, we read this already, in the darkest of times only. I didn't use everything I read, I used some different things, so let's see. We are our choices, I agree. Do more of what makes your soul happy. Well, absolutely. Trust the timing of life. Okay, we read that as well. Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none. I think that's great advice. All that glitters is not gold, right? Be easy to love, hard to break, and impossible to forget. That's a nice saying. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. And that was from Albert Einstein. Pretty great. It isn't what we say or think that defines us, but what we do. I agree. And don't look back. You're not going that way. And that is very true. And I put a little tag in the back pocket as well. I didn't put a saying on it. And put more of my flowers on the back. And I used the washi tape on the spine. And then throughout the pages is mostly the tape, the stickers. This I did double stickers here. Anyway, just had fun with it, and the washi tape I really enjoyed working with. I like that you can peel it off and reposition it when it doesn't go on right. Anyway, all right. Well, thank you for crafting with me. I hope you guys get to make your own little happy journal. And anyway, thanks again, and keep sparkling, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.